Looking for the best shower doors in 2026? Shower in this video. We review the latest frameless, sliding, pivot, and glass shower doors to help you upgrade your bathroom with style and durability. We compare build quality, design, ease of installation, water resistance, and value for money so you can choose the perfect shower door for your modern home. Number 3. The Amapo Brushed Nickel Shower Partition, 48 by 72 inches, is a refined solution for homeowners seeking a modern, space-saving shower enclosure with reliable safety features. Designed with a double-sided tempered glass sliding door, this partition delivers both visual elegance and everyday functionality, making it a strong fit for contemporary bathrooms. A key highlight is the ultra-quiet sliding system. High-quality, noise-reducing rollers allow the dual-panel glass door to glide smoothly and almost silently, creating a calm, spa-like shower experience while efficiently saving space in stand-up shower areas. The 6mm tempered safety glass, reinforced with an explosion-proof film, adds an extra layer of protection by helping prevent glass fragments from scattering in the event of impact. Maintenance is simple thanks to the anti-fingerprint brushed nickel finish, which resists water stains, smudges, and daily wear. This durable finish not only enhances longevity, but also blends effortlessly with a wide range of bathroom styles, from minimalist designs to barn door-inspired interiors. The ergonomic widened handle is thoughtfully designed for comfort, offering a secure grip that makes opening and closing smooth and effortless. With its balanced combination of safety, quiet performance, and stylish design, the Amapo shower partition serves as a sophisticated decor upgrade. It transforms ordinary bathrooms into polished, modern spaces while maintaining practicality for daily use. Overall, it's a stylish and dependable choice for a sleek shower room upgrade in 2026. Number 2. The eGreenBay 44 to 48-inch W by 76-H frameless sliding shower door is a stylish and practical choice for upgrading any modern bathroom. Designed with flexibility in mind, the adjustable width allows the door to fit openings from 44 to 48 inches by trimming the top and bottom tracks, making it ideal for walk-in showers with varying layouts. The 76-inch height offers generous clearance, ensuring comfortable access for taller users. Safety is a major highlight of this shower door. It features 8mm, 5 by 16-inch, SGCC and ANSI certified tempered glass combined with an explosion-proof safety film, creating a dual protection structure. In the rare event of impact, the film holds glass fragments together, reducing the risk of injury and adding peace of mind during daily use. Performance is equally impressive. Large solid rollers paired with a soft close buffering system deliver smooth, quiet sliding while preventing hard impacts at closure. The integrated bottom threshold and side sealing strips form an effective water barrier, keeping splashes contained and maintaining a dry, slip-free bathroom floor. Crafted with 304 stainless steel hardware in a sleek chrome finish, the door resists rust and corrosion for long-term durability. User reviews praise its easy installation, premium quality, and dramatic improvement to bathroom aesthetics. Overall, the eGreenBay frameless shower door offers excellent value, safety, and modern elegance in one complete package. Number 1. The BATHWLLER frameless sliding shower door, 56 to 60 in W by 76 in H, is a premium upgrade for modern bathrooms, combining elegant design with durable construction. Built with 10mm, 5 by 16-inch, SGC certified tempered glass, this shower door is up to 4 times stronger than standard glass, offering enhanced safety and long-term reliability. The double nano coating on both sides resists water stains, soap scum, and fingerprints, keeping the glass crystal clear with minimal cleaning. One of its standout features is the heavy-duty 304 stainless steel hardware in a brushed nickel finish, which adds both strength and a sleek, contemporary look. The 70mm oversized silent rollers, larger than most competitors, ensure a smooth, quiet sliding experience, while the sturdy 25mm round guide rail provides excellent stability during daily use. Designed to fit openings from 56 to 60 inches wide, this frameless sliding shower door is fully adjustable and reversible, allowing flexible left or right opening to suit different bathroom layouts. Precision-engineered bottom and side seals deliver excellent watertight performance, preventing splashes and keeping your bathroom floor dry. Installation is straightforward with clear visual instructions, though professional installation is recommended for best results. User reviews highlight the excellent value for the price, smooth and quiet operation, and responsive customer support for replacement parts. Overall, this bathwiller shower door delivers style, performance, and peace of mind in one refined package. Thanks for watching our Shower Doors Review 2026. Shower if this video helped you choose the perfect shower door for your bathroom. Please like, share, and subscribe for more honest home improvement reviews. Let us know in the comments which shower door style you prefer and what you'd like us to review next. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals and latest prices.